Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Celestina and the name of this channel is Secret Conversation Podcast. And on this channel, I don't only show my podcast, but also how to prepare simple meals, also tips and real talk. So right now I am adding extra virgin oil. Okay, I'm going to prepare corned beef. Okay, corned beef. So I just turned on the stove just to heat the oil. I use a lot of olive oil. It's good for you. It's very healthy. So while that is warming up, the oil is getting hot. This is a spice that I created. Called Really Spicy Seasoning Blend. I owned a restaurant in the past, and I created this spice. It has onions and onion bits and pepper flakes and all kinds of goodies in here. So I'm just going to add a little bit. See all the spices? Okay. So I'm just going to add to the olive oil. And while that is warming, while it's getting heated, the olive oil, I'm going to open the corned beef. Now, there are different types of corned beef out there, but I am used to the Libby. So I'm going to open it up, as you can see. Okay, so please don't drop this can in this pan. Okay, so open it up. As a child in Panama, I grew up on corned beef. We love corned beef. With our rice. Yeah, this is corned beef. Okay. And the other ingredient that we're going to use is the pasta sauce. You can use whatever kind you like. Don't use the cheese. I'm using mushrooms. You can use peppers and onions. They have a different type of pasta sauce you can use. But I'm using the mushroom. I'm going to also add a little curry powder because I love my curry powder. And of course, hot sauce. This hot sauce is from Barbados, Bajan, but you can use any type of Caribbean hot sauce just to flavor it. Okay. For some reason, oh yeah, I can smell it. It smells beautiful. It smells beautiful. And what I'm going to add to this is my onions and peppers. Now I cheat. I buy the onions and peppers already cut up. I don't have time anymore for that process. So I have some left here in a bag. So I'm going to add that in. I think I'm going to use the whole bag. And one thing you're going to notice about me with my cooking, I use a lot of peppers and onions. And basically everything. Now this is smelling so good. I'm just going to add a little bit more oil. It's olive oil, pure 100% virgin, so it's really good. So the olive oil is not going to it's not going to hurt you. It's good for you. Now let me lower this right now. Well and frozen, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to make that gravy. I added now the sauce. It's really smelling delicious. And when you get a certain age, you don't want to spend all day cooking. I don't want to spend all day cooking. So, alrighty. So I'm going to turn it back up the heat a little bit more. I need this to start simmering. I'm just going to add a little bit of the Goya because the corned beef is salty already. Okay. It's smelling good. And then I'm going to add some more of my spice. This time I'm going to open it up. I'm just going to add some more. I'm going to get it out in the market soon. I am. Yes, in Panama, like I was saying earlier, we cook with corned beef. We have it with rice, side of plantain, some type of salad, but we love corned beef. Some of us even put pork and beans in the corned beef. It's a cultural thing. Okay. So I like to clean as I go. Don't these look delicious? Now what I'm going to do now, get rid of this thing right here. I'm going to place my corned beef. It smells delicious. It really smells good. The tomato sauce, the pasta sauce. Easy way. I'm going to lower it now and just baste it. It smells good. Yeah, we put pork and beans in it. Some people put corn. And just break it up in pieces to just get those flavors in. And I'm going to serve this with some rice today. Now, I'll be honest with you, this is not enough gravy for my husband and myself. So when you come across that, that's a very easy fix. Very easy fix. To make more gravy, just add a little bit more oil. You might say this is a lot of oil, but this oil is good for you, so it's not gonna. And a little bit more sauce. And that's how we do our corned beef. Turn it off, and then I'm just gonna add some hot sauce. Anything coming out? Yeah. You might say, that's a lot of hot sauce. No, it's not. It tastes real good. Matter of fact, it flavors, it gives it a delicious flavor. And we serve this over some rice. And that's our corned beef. Simple and easy. Thank you for joining my channel on today. Try this and let me know how it comes out. Thank you and have an amazing day.